Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your flight preferences on the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should wait a few seconds till it loads in. Scroll down to the profile section and click on My Account Info. Scroll down and tap on Flight Preferences that you can see in the My Travel Details section. So tap on it, and here you can select your home airport. So type in its name into the search bar, select it. Then add your seat preference, such as window or aisle. Then add your special assistance if you have any. Here you can see a bunch of options, and if you are done with selecting these 3 features, click on the Save button down below. As you can see, the flight preferences section has been updated with these details. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.